Alright guys, we're pouring tonight. Copper Kid here, pouring some copper crosses, and we're going for the copper buckle one more time. The last time we did this one, we didn't have any weight or anything on it, so it like puffed up and was burning around the edge, which made the piece kind of smear. Hold on. If you can see it, last time we did it, it got some detail in here, but on this side it got like smeary and puffy, and so it kind of blew up on this side and then didn't really take so well. So we're going to hope that this one turns out a little bit better. Let's get these off. See if we get this detail. That looks a little better. Looks a little better. This is actually a belt buckle that belonged to my father. He passed away in July. And I got this from him a couple weeks before he passed. So I really wanted to come out well. Look at that. Copper, baby, copper. What do you think? You like it?
Yeah, at least it doesn't have so much flashing on the left side.
Yeah, exactly. Came out So that was one, and that was two. Two came out much better.
Yeah. And the one thing that kind of bugs me as the camera guy is my arms getting hot whenever you're pouring.
Yeah, nice. All right, life of a camera guy, right?
The one reason why you might not want to be.
Hot arms. Okay. I got it right here. We kind of feel like this might be a signature piece for us. So we want to try to work on
Perfecting it.
getting a few done. And perfecting it. Yes. Getting it down where we just bang, bang, bang. Can whip them out. Hold on 1 second before you take that out. This is our final product. Got a copper cross with a silver Christ hanging, and then we basically put a couple holes and we tack the silver into the back, remove the vents, tack it into the back. So it's a piece that I really like a lot. Again, I did this one, the first one I did kind of in honor of my dad. I liked it so much, I wanted to try to do a few more. I'm gonna end up making one for each one of my brothers, but we've sold a few already, so the more, if I sell a few more, then I can put the money back into making a couple so I can make some for them.